Hey there, I'm Kason, the owner of Olympus Roofing. Thank you for choosing to do business with us. We're really excited to be working on your home. Your project is just around the corner, and we want to make sure that you know exactly what to expect and how to prepare. So let's walk through a few important things that will help the day go smoothly. First things first, your home is going to be a construction site while we're there. It's going to be noisy and a bit messy, and you may see debris around the area. We promise we'll clean everything up once the job is done, but it's a good idea to move or cover any outdoor items like grills, lawn furniture, or garden decorations that you don't want to get dirty or damaged. Our crews will be using ladders and working around the entire perimeter of your house. While taking precautions to prevent damage to your home and property, we can't guarantee that everything will be 100% protected. If you've got low-hanging branches near your roof, they may need to be trimmed. We'll handle any branches that are in our way, but if there's a lot to trim, it might be up to you unless we've included it in your bid. We'll also make every effort to protect your gutters, but keep in mind that small scratches and dents can happen. If any significant damage occurs, we'll replace that section at our own expense. As for things like gutter guards, satellite dishes, or solar panels, those will need to be removed for proper roof installation. We can usually reinstall these for you, but there may be a small fee. On the day of your project, please make sure to move your cars out of the garage so they don't get blocked in by our equipment. Let us know where you'd like us to place materials, dumpsters, and where to park our vehicles. And remember, our team will need access to an electrical outlet for their tools, so make sure that's available too. We also ask that you secure any pets or animals on the day of the project for their safety and for ours. That's it! We're going to make this process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Our office staff and production team have already started preparing for your job to make sure you're completely satisfied. If you have any questions or concerns before your job starts, feel free to reply to this video or just give us a call. Thanks again for trusting Olympus Roofing, and we can't wait to get started on your new roof. See you soon.